Assalamualaikum, jumpa lagi di Frugal Ding. This week I have bought something from Lazada, so this will help me in my riding videos. It's a harness. Okay, let's open this up. Alright, so yeah, it comes in a bubble wrap and nothing more inside. That's all. This is the packaging. It's a ziplock. Okay, let's take it all out. No more. So there are some of these like Gopro, all the accessories. This is the main one. I'll put it down. This one is just like that. Only one harness. Okay, what we have here, that's one of it. That's one of it. And I don't know this one. Oh, this is the one that. Okay, I think I know how to fix this. And this is the one for your phone. So that is about it for the what's inside the box. No box actually. So how do I wear this? This is the back, this is the front. So there's a buckle here. Okay, like this. Goes around, buckle back. Okay, so yeah, what do I do? It should be like this. This should go here. So if your phone is like this, you will be putting like this. This will go like this. Okay. Alright. That should be it, I think. Yep. Okay, this one is alright. So let's see. Okay. Alright, so this will lock it. This will lock it. We get another phone. This is a screw. Oh, it's just like that. Higher, right? Okay, tighten it up. Make sure the button don't gonna lock. Aha. So this will shoot that way. If you want to use the back camera, then you should then you get to use this one. Yes, I will make another video whereby I want to show how to there's a frugal tips on maintaining your motorcycle's battery. I will use this then. Alright, so that's about this week's video on unboxing of the harness I bought from Lazada. It's very cheap. I think for the price, yeah, it's not bad. So the main thing is functional, right? Quite sturdy. You can tighten all this up. I haven't tightened all this up, but yeah, it works for $8 something, 8 point how many cents. Okay, what else to say? I'm happy with my purchase. It's only $8 plus. Okay, so see you on another episode. You guys out there, take care. Be happy. That's life. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi.